Hello everyone. Today I'm planning to do a Dutch pour using purple or violets as the main color. Um, I will provide colors that I'll be using today in the description below. But briefly, today's pour is all about, as I said, about violets. And I'll be using blues and red violets on either side of the metallic core or metallic center. So I got the inspiration for today's piece from the planetary images on the web. So the plan is to create a neutron star. A neutron star has a dense shimmering core with two beams of radio waves emitting from its pole. So to represent the shimmering core, I will be using gold, copper and white. And although the beams are always represented by blue or white, as it was shown in the web images, but hey, it's my neutron star, so I can give it a pop of color by adding some vibrant red, violet, oranges and yellows. So let's see how it will turn out. I'm not an astrophysicist, but I find space images fascinating. Do let me know if you like space images as well. Before I forget, I would like to give a shout out to Olga Sobi, as I got the color inspirations from one of her pieces. I knew I wanted to pour for Neutron Star, but color inspiration truly came from one of her pieces. So thanks, Olga. Let's see if I can make something which slightly resemble Neutron Star, and hope you like that. I look forward to your comments on the final piece. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. So I've added, as you can see, neon violet and then some ultramarine blue and a little bit of turquoise that I made using white, blue and yellow. So these are from artist loft, and I'm adding a little bit of more ultramarine blue on the side, to which I added a little bit of black to give it a little shade. Alright, as I said, I will be adding little reds on this side. So this is red violet, orange and yellow that I'm adding, and adding red on the edges, adding a little bit more yellow to lighten up the entire composition. Let's see. So in the center and on the edges, the entire piece, I am giving very thin line of gold from DecoArt 24 carat. I'm hoping that that will give us a good shimmer in the entire piece, and added white on the edges to help with the flow.